tone as well.
Yes, for sure. And my heart goes out to those who were affected by the fire, for sure. But yes, we're here today. Thank God we're alive and well, and we're here living in the moment.
Yeah, I love that. Now, you are one of the faces of the new movement
Ooh.
of, music coming out of the Caribbean, Jamaica, dancehall, reggae. Like, what's it like kind of being the it woman for that particular genre right now?
Wow, I must say I'm grateful, and I have no complaints. I'm just trying to live in the moment, as I said before, and I'm giving God thanks, and I'm trying to put in the work and not get distracted.
And who are some of those giants for you just early on in your career that you really look up to, where now, you're coming to these award shows, you're getting that acclaim and recognition for your music, and you say, oh, I'm rubbing elbows with these people?
Vybz Kartel for sure, because we're both nominated in the same category. Rihanna, just plenty of people. I'm here. Whitney has passed on, Michael Jackson has passed on, so they're not with us anymore. But those are some of my faves.
Now, you are known for going viral, breaking the internet.
True. True.
What's it like just, having that kind of presence on social media and having so many people interested in what you do? Because you're always coming up on my timeline.
Wow, thank you. I just try to be mindful of what I put out there. I have to watch it like 10 times, just because the day and age that we live in, social media, I would never want anyone to take what I'm doing out of context. So I try to be mindful and very careful before I even post. But so far, I'm happy it's going well and people are enjoying the content.
That's awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Again, fabulous with the outfit. You look great. So wonderful meeting you. Thank you. I'll take that
course.
one.
Thank you so much.
Just for joining us here tonight. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank
Congratulations are definitely in order. I mean, you received the information about the nomination,
Yes, that was
at a
amazing.
time of also, finding that freedom. Can you talk about what that meant to you?
I mean, it meant a lot, and it just made me believe in God more and myself more. Because think about it, I'm coming from jail, and now I'm nominated for Grammy Award. You know what I mean? I'm in LA. What could be better, man? Life is a blessing, so I have to give thanks. Yes.
We had Shensea here earlier, and we were talking about influences and her as a woman kind of being the face of the genre right now, the new up-and-comer. But obviously, she listed you as an influence. And for those of our audience that aren't familiar with dancehall and reggae, you are a literal living legend. So what does it mean that you are you've helped birth this new, generation of artists?
I mean, it's an accomplished feeling because we put in the work, and the same way I stand on the shoulders of giants, like the Buju Banton, the Ninja Mans, the Beanie Mans. So it's good that kids can come along and say Vybz Kartel influenced them. So it's like a pay forward, you know what I mean? Yes, so it's a great feeling, it's an accomplished feeling, and it's humbling as well.
And what does the genre need to continue to do to continue to move forward and progress?
I mean, I think we just need to find the balance between the art and the commerce, because Jamaican music can be very rough, very kind of intolerant at times. So once we find that balance, especially the young kids coming up, they will do great, trust me.
That's interesting because the way that you recognize, you mentioned intolerance.
Yes.
And I know a lot of us who aren't familiar with the culture
Exactly.
would seeing certain things that we didn't know about, and then as an adult we found out, oh, that means this, that means that. So do you think it is a conscious thing with artists now saying we are going to kind of change?
Change is inevitable, and it's the only change is inevitable, and it's the only constant. So, and I believe in that change. You know what I mean? Because it's a global marketplace, it's one world, and everybody needs to do them. That's simple as that. That's it.
Music has been, especially in the Caribbean, has been used to really speak out, in favor of politics, against politics. How do you see things continuing to kind of shift in that way?
I mean, Caribbean music, yes, strong on social commentary. And it's still happening now, I mean, especially now, because a lot of things are taking place in the Caribbean in terms of the social changes, and it's a good thing. So we have people like Buju Banton still fighting the good fight. I mean, Bob Marley's a legend, even in death. So yeah, and I have my conscious songs as well. You know what I mean? Not a lot, but.
So you gotta have the balance, right?
Exactly, we need the balance.
The fun needs to be there as well.
Yes, ma'am.
If it makes you feel better, I've been to many a basement party with Vybz Kartel music.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shout out to Brooklyn.
Yes, BK, yeah. True.
Thank you so much for the time. We
Thank you
definitely
so much.
appreciate
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Do I keep